Today we're going to talk about, are we entering into a recession here in the Houston market? Today's August 13th, 2022. I'm Alan Jimenez, real estate broker for the last 17 years, licensed in Texas, license number 0549644. Okay, so today we're going to be taking a look at a few reports, four of the main hardcore reports that show you with data. Here's our four reports. Number one, historic count of active listings. Fancy name for inventory. How much inventory is available in the market? Number two, historic sales by year. How many sales compared for the last 5 years? Now, historic sales price trend. This gives us a nice graph of where we're headed. It gives us a visual of the trend in sales prices. Number four, sales price by list price ratio. This tells us, it's a fancy word of how stubborn the sellers are being. Are they being, I don't want to negotiate, this is the price, it's the price. We're gonna look at that for the last 5 years. So let's get going. Guys, as you can see here, this is the inventory levels starting in 2017, way above 10,000 active homes on the market. As you progress and we get through 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, we are down to almost half of that, 6,600 homes. My God, inventory has depleted. But notice, just at the beginning of this, our last 3 months, we have changed directions. Inventory is climbing up. So this is a good thing because we want to balance between buyers and sellers, okay? So we're gonna get there on my market opinion, BMO. So stand still, I got some good facts. I just wanted to show you the hardcore data of inventory is extremely low. I think we already all knew that, but we didn't know the numbers. Now we see this big inclining curve. So let's see where that takes us. Okay guys, now so we're taking a look at historic sales by each year. Look at 2017, we peaked around 2,600, 700, 2006, same thing, look at this, same, a little bit more in 2019, dropped when pandemic came and then just ripped up all the way past records. We're in the 3,300, we even went to 3,500 in 2021 and we stuck around that range, 3,300 again, way above. What is that market telling you? Huge amount of sales, low demand. Wow, so with the feds lowering the rates, they really did increase, but I think a little bit too much. So let's see the next chart, let's go. Okay guys, I'm gonna go back 10 years, we're going back in time. And this chart, this really pisses me off, I'm sorry. Look at how unaffordable Houston has become. This is the true data backed by the Houston Association of Realtors, which is backed by the Texas Real Estate Commission. It's giving you the hard data. Okay, so look, back in 12, we were about $150,000 for an average single family or townhome in the Houston area, average, okay? And I can deal with, look, a little incline. I love the 3 to 5% appreciation. You know, that's where we buy a house. It's an investment. So it goes up here. We go 5 years to 17, and okay, look at here. What is that? It looks like about 182,000. I love that. You bought a property 5 years, you made $32,000. Let's go from 17 to 19 pre-pandemic right here. We go 182, and it looks like we got a 228, another 50,000. Hey, perfect, I bought our house. That's what real estate's about. Now this is what pisses me off. 28, we have gone 228 to $330,000. Basically a 25% or more increase, $100,000 in just 2 years. Yes, repeat that. $100,000 above appraised value. So, you know, I'm gonna give you my BMO, broker market opinion. I'm just showing you the hardcore data, and anybody wants these reports that I'm creating, just send me a text or an email me, contact me, we can have a conversation. Okay, now we're gonna be looking at the sales price, list price ratios. Look back in 2017. What this is telling us is that the sellers were way more negotiable. They're like, okay, yeah, I'll give you 2%, 3% on average off the price. That means if there are 300,000, you got about $10,000 off, $290. This does not include closing costs, adding closing costs. So usually I was getting 5 to 10% off a house. That's just the way it goes. Now, but this is the averages. Now look at 2021 and 22. No negotiations. This is the price and you pay it, take it or leave it, because we had too many buyers. This is what the market was telling you. Now, let's get to that broker market opinion. You ready? Let's go. Okay guys, now my BMO, broker market opinion. Now, I don't believe that we're entering into recession as of now. It's too early to tell. What I do know is we need to get our inventory levels up to 10,000, 9,500 to 10,500 range. Now, here is when we can enter a recession. When we pass that, if we get to 11,000, 12, 13,000, whoa, now the coin has flipped. It is on the buyer's favor. We're entering, there's too many properties on the market right now. So there's buyers that are like, I got a lot to pick from. Versus where we are at now. The sellers are like, it's a buyer's market. We got too many buyers. Do you see where I'm getting out now? So if you're thinking about buying, this is not the right time to buy. What I would do, I'm gonna treat you like family. Wait till November, December is historic lows because people are moving and they don't have time to buy. This is every single year it takes a dip. You couple that with the feds have raised the rates, so people are not buying right now. You couple of them together. Now we're gonna have a boost of inventory come, and you boost that with there's two people no buying. This is the time to buy, November, December, not right now. That's what I'm gonna, if you can wait November, December, I would say you can take maybe a savings up to 20, 25%, which is pre-COVID where we're supposed to be. It's a correction. That's what's happening now. So if you have any questions about real estate, you want my data reports, of course, do your own due diligence. Take these reports, do your own analytical review. Only thing I can tell you is that I'm a real estate broker. I'm focused in the Houston area. I was born and raised in Houston, and I have 17 years experience. Okay, so that's my BMO. I hope you guys liked it. It's the honest opinion. Hit that like, subscribe, notification bell. If you just want the raw deal, Alan, tell me raw. If you appreciate these type of valuable information, these videos, hit that like, subscribe, notification bell because I'm putting them out every single week. See you on the next one.